How to fix WhatsApp messages not delivered on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix that that problem. Just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again. Now just here we'll find WhatsApp, click on it. First go to storage and then click here, this one, clear cache, and then click here, this one, for stop, click on it, and then just go back, and now just close all the applications in the background, close everything, and then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.